0 followers, 0 tech skills, $0 for ads. Sounds like a recipe for staying stuck, right? Just last Tuesday, I saw something incredible happen. I helped a stay-at-home mom who'd never even opened a Canva tab in her life land a $500 a month client, and she did it in just 5 days, using nothing but a few free AI tools and a quick 5-minute Loom video. Imagine that, 5 days, 0 upfront cost, and a new stream of income for her family. Today, I'm not just gonna tell you how, I'm handing you the exact step-by-step blueprint so you can repeat this success. No fluff, no overpriced fancy courses just leaving you more confused than when you started, just the raw, actionable steps you need to get going. I'm Alex, and if you're new here, you might not know my story, but in the last 2 years, my solo marketing agency has driven a staggering $7.1 million in trackable revenue for my clients. Here's the secret sauce. Target local small businesses and offer just 2 stupidly simple, high-impact services and let the magic of AI do pretty much everything and all the heavy lifting. Think about this. The median US income is around $3,250 a month. You can absolutely beat that comfortably with just 12 clients paying you $300 each. And this isn't even a pipe dream. My lowest retainer client is $3,000 a month, and my highest pays me nearly $10,000 a month. First, you're gonna have to pick your niche in one sitting. The big mistake beginners make is trying to be everything to everyone. You'll just end up being nothing to no one. So what you're gonna do is pick your niche in one sitting. And I mean one actual sitting. Based on my experience and frankly what converts fastest, here are 3 niches that are absolute winners. Home service businesses, think plumbers, electricians, HVAC pros, roofers. These guys are already busy and always looking for new leads and often overwhelmed by the digital side of things. Dental clinics, every town has them. They need new patients all the time. They need to manage their online reputation, and they often actually have a budget. Real estate agents, these are a no-brainer. Their entire business is built on leads, visibility, and reputation. They live and die by their online presence, and many struggle to keep up with content creation. Now, here's your task. Pick one of these, just one, write it down on a sticky note. Seriously, grab a sticky note right now, slap that sticky note on your computer screen. That's your entire universe for the next 90 days. Section 2 is to pick 2 services that you can actually fulfill before lunch. So you've got your niche, that's great. Now let's talk about what you're actually going to do for them. Again, we're gonna be keeping it super stupid simple. No complex funnels, no elaborate ad campaigns that require a degree in rocket science. The list of services I offer my clients is big, but here are 2 that you can offer that every business needs and take almost 0 prior knowledge. Service A is gonna be a social media audit and managing their posts. This is gonna be your bread and butter because most local businesses have social media profiles, but they're often completely neglected, inconsistent, just horrible, or they don't post at all. So you're gonna come in like a superhero. Here's exactly what you'll do. You'll optimize their existing profiles, like their bios, their call to action, getting them verified, updating your contact info. Then you'll drop 3 high-quality posts a week on their chosen platforms. For maximum impact, you'll also visit them once a week and film short vertical videos with your smartphone. You'll post content like behind the scenes, quick tips, trendy stuff, FAQs. And now this is how AI helps. This is where the magic happens. If you need captions, open up ChatGPT and it can help you write engaging, niche-specific captions in literally 30 seconds. Need ideas for those viral clips? Ask AI. Need trending sound? Ask AI to point you which music best fits the clips that you gave it. Your clients are busy, they don't have time for this, they don't have time to learn how to use AI, but you do. Now, service B is gonna be the SEO Blog Blitz. This service is a game changer for long-term growth and positions you as a true marketing partner. This is what you'll actually do. You'll publish 2 keyword-rich blog posts every week directly onto their website. These aren't just random articles. These are strategic pieces designed to answer common customer questions and target specific local keywords to help them score highest in SEO and ultimately rank them higher on Google. Again, here's how AI can help. AI is your secret weapon. Tools like ChatGPT can draft entire blog posts in minutes. You'll provide the keywords and the basic outline. The AI will generate the rest of the content. Your job becomes editing, optimizing, and publishing. What used to take hours now just takes minutes. Now, here's how you price it right. Offer each service solo or bundle them for maximum value and revenue for you. For example, the social media makeover and management, well, you'll charge $300 a month, or the SEO Blitz, you'll charge $300 a month. But you can bundle them together for $500 a month. That's it. No crazy funnels, no complicated TikTok dances, no crazy ad spend required. Just 2 incredibly valuable services that directly impact their bottom line and are easy for you to fulfill. Now, this section is how to land your first client in the next 7 days. This is where rubber meets the road, where you turn all that prep into actual paying clients. And we're going to do it all in 7 days. No cold calling hundreds of businesses. We're using a highly targeted value-first approach. Step 1 is become a local digital detective. What I mean by this is join the right groups. So head over to Facebook and LinkedIn, search for 3 different Facebook groups and 2 different LinkedIn groups that are tied to your niche and your city. For example, plumbers in your city. Every single morning, make a post in these groups, but here's the critical part. No pitching. Your posts should be short and punchy. Think value bombs. Something like 3 quick profile fixes that double plumber leads, or the one thing dentists forget on their Google My Business profile. Offer genuine, actionable advice. Okay, so for the rest of this little section though, my recording got entirely messed up. So you're gonna be looking at a meme while I voiceover record this. What you're gonna wanna do is you've been posting in these groups on Facebook and LinkedIn, hopefully providing nothing but just really good value. And as you're providing value, you're gonna be getting likes, comments, maybe even DMs. And what you're gonna wanna do is actually interact with all these people. So every single person, obviously reply to them, reply to their comment, but also DM them. And what you should do when you DM them is genuinely ask them questions about their business. You know, like what's going right, what's going wrong, what are they struggling with? Just like genuinely try to find out more about their business. And as you're talking to them, as you're learning more, what you'll do is find out what their business is and do like a deep dive on Google of their business. So for example, let's say it's Marty's Dentist. Okay, you're gonna look up Marty's Dentist on Google and go through his Instagram, go through his website, just go through everything that you think you can improve and film a Loom video. Loom is a 100% free software, and what Loom does is it's a software that allows you to record your screen, have a voiceover, and have your video camera in the corner. And you can use these to film a really detailed voiceover going through, let's say, their website or their Instagram or whatever, and just point out all the things you would improve and then send that to them, see what they think. If they reply, if they say, oh, that's cool, that's awesome, thanks, that's when you can offer your services. You can say, yeah, hey, this is what we do. If that's something you're interested in, let me know and we can hop on a call. And next thing you know, you've got a lead, you got a call booked, and hopefully then you could close them on your services. So let's say you land your first client. Congratulations. But now here's the crucial part, which is actually delivering on your promise efficiently and effectively. This is where AI truly shines, allowing you to fulfill services like a well-oiled machine, keeping your clients happy and your workload actually manageable. Your first task is going to be to fire up ChatGPT, and you're going to batch out 12 social media captions for the entire month for your client. Tweak and review them, and then you're done in under an hour. You get those captions, now you need visuals. So you're going to take Canva's bulk creation tool. It's going to be your best friend, and you're going to upload a spreadsheet of your captions. That way it can automatically generate branded graphics, quotes, or simple promotional images using your client's brand colors and logos. You might have to make some edits and make some changes, maybe use some templates, but that's okay. What used to take hours of manual design now spits out a month's worth of posts in minutes. If you visited the business and spent a couple hours filming content with the business owner, now it's time to edit and polish them up using a free app called CapCut. In fact, I'm actually editing this entire video on CapCut. Once everything is ready, schedule all your social media content for the week or for even the month in their Meta Business Suite. It's that quick once you get the hang of it. Now, let's say they opted in for the Blog Blitz. AI is your writing copilot, and you're going to be using tools like ChatGPT or Claude to draft the articles based on your chosen keywords. This is small, but a really important task, which is sending your clients a concise 1-paragraph Slack message or email recap of this week's wins. So why is this so important? It's because your clients are busy. They don't have time to go and track every single post, their Google rankings. This short, impactful summary shows them that you're actually doing work, that you're delivering, and most importantly, they see tangible movement in their business. You'll look like an absolute wizard and they'll be thrilled to keep paying you. Lastly is the price ladder. You've got your first client, you're fulfilling like a pro. Now let's talk about how to actually grow this thing and make some serious money. This isn't just about getting clients, it's about strategically scaling your income. Let's say month 1, you start with your initial retainer, say $300 for social media management. Your focus is going to be on delivering exceptional results and building trust with your client. Now, month 2, after you've already brought them tangible value, it's time to raise the price. And what I mean by this is you'll present them the value you've already delivered and propose moving them up to the $500 bundle, which includes the SEO Blog Blitz. This isn't a greedy move, it's a reflection of the increased value and expanded services that you're providing. We're gonna wanna be constantly adding layers, Once they're seeing consistent results from their socials and blogs, you can introduce additional services like writing their email marketing newsletters for an extra $200 a month. And this is how you ladder your pricing gradually to increase your value and your monthly recurring revenue. Now, here's the power of compounding. Let's say you had 10 clients at $500 each. That's $5,000 a month in recurring revenue. That's more than enough to live comfortably for most people, and that's just the beginning. See, the growth isn't linear, it's exponential. The more clients you have, the more testimonials you get, the more proof you'll get, the easier it becomes to attract your next client. If you want to learn more about how exactly to start a solo marketing agency that generates $10,000 to $30,000 a month, I just launched a 100% free school group. In there, I made detailed courses on exactly what I've personally done and every secret I've learned. The group is going to be free until we reach 50 members, then it's going to be going up to $19 a month, and then periodically higher and higher. So from 19 to 29, 39, 49. So if you want to lock in now for free, click the link in the description below. The agencies that survive and thrive in 2025, 2026, 2027, they're not going to be the biggest, they're going to be the fastest. Fastest to test new AI tools, tweak and make changes to their processes, and to start really adopting AI into their workflows. Clients pay for results, not effort. All they care about is that their business is growing, their social media is getting more followers, they're getting more leads, and most importantly, they're getting more revenue.